This printer that we donated is called the Form 3. It is an SLA printer. It uses a liquid photopolymer that is converted from liquid to a solid using a laser light with a specific wavelength.
Traditional 3D printer that uses filament is less detailed than the resin printer. So when you want something that has smooth surfaces and a lot of detail, you can get that with a resin printer. Well, one of the projects that we worked on was printing an anatomical heart for the health class at the high school. You can choose a resin specific for what you want your print to be like. So for example, this one is printed in something called Tough 1500, and it's only in gray and it dries really hard, but we can get resin that's more transparent, we can get resin that is more rubbery or a semi-solid, and it will always stay that way. So it gives you a lot of flexibility.
Our material portfolio has a big variety, and it ranges from flexible materials to really hard and strong materials to materials that can be used for casting or materials that can be used for like medical and dental applications, like I mentioned. This particular part is a clear photopolymer resin that has been printed with like cavities inside of it, and then the person that made this poured or cast in there a denture material to get the kind of the bone color. So we have flexible, strong, stiff, castable materials that can be used in multiple applications. In education, 3D printing, I think in the future we're gonna see it in every single workspace, just like a 2D paper printer is in every household. I guess the goal for Formlabs is to get a 3D printer in every household. But schools, businesses will have these as normal part of the use in curriculum. They are great for teaching. I think the heart model is a really good idea, especially if you use like a clear material. You can kind of dissect it and look at the inner chambers and the valves, to make learning a little more fun.
Much more fun and much more purposeful for the students when they're working on something that's a real problem or something that's going to benefit someone. They are much more motivated by that. Those are the types of things that we're going to seek out. We have already used the other printers for speech and debate team and for solar. Whenever we do that, the kids really get engaged with it and really want to learn more because they're helping someone.
We have a project that we partner with Rossford on that I think is interesting. It's for workplace learning. The manufacturing machines that are in a First Solar, the student will print the manufacturing machines, and then those will be turned over to First Solar, and then they'll use it as a test and training quiz to determine whether the workers know how the process works, put the machines in the right order. I guess our primary mission is to enable anyone to make anything. So in this instance, giving you the printer kind of helps that. We do like to lift up the community. So that was kind of why we have a program for lightly used printers, and we can donate them back to the community like we did for you guys. And me personally, I like to be involved in my community. I saw this opportunity. I guess I personally wanted to get involved, but it is kind of Formlabs' nature to kind of help people bring their technology to industry and to the community. So I guess it's a natural thing for us to just kind of give things away to help that.
Thank you so much, Formlabs, for your donation of our 3D printer. We are very grateful.